Cavecat, Jason. Cavecat wakes up early. The sun is shining. The birds sing. Today is going to be a great day. Pete thinks, but then Pete's bed starts to shake. His friend Vinny, the veteran, is coming to visit. Is it the perfect day for the picnic, says Vinny. What a great idea, says Pete. Who should we invite? Anyone? Vinny yells. Right on, says Pete. Pete likes picnics. He is out to invite all his friends. First, Pete finds his good friends at the water areas to get their attention. Pete climbs all the way up to the top of the tallest tree. Would you like to come to the picnic? Pete asks. I do too, says Ariel. What could I bring? How about a real big salad? Pete struts. What a great idea, says Ariel. I'm on it.
Now that's just perfect.
Pete wanders around the river. He sees T-Rex. T-Rex plays the guitar. T-Rex is awesome. Hey T-Rex, Pete yells. Want to come to a picnic? Sweet, says T-Rex. Can I bring my guitar? Definitely, says Pete. We can jam. Come in, says T-Rex. Okay, if the break all the auditoriums, he's always on the drums. No more, no matter, says Pete.
A name perhaps you'd hoped you'd never hear again. A phantom, a shadow of a former life. I am Dave.
Pete sees his friend Terry, the pastor is Guy. Hi, Pete, she calls. Pete invites Terry to the picnic too. What you might give me a lift? Pete asks. Sure, says Terry, crying aboard. Pete sees the Spike's tail. His mate Skip scores. How are you feeling today, Skip? He asks. Skip is sick with his nails. That is the Skip. They ask you. You're not for the picnic. I think so, says Skip. I had to miss the fun.
You seriously don't remember me?
It's almost time for the picnic. Cavecat rushes through the forest. He doesn't want to be late. Whoops! Pete trips over, trying to trap Soyas. We're playing hide and seek. She shares before Pete can ask what she was doing. I think I had a little too well. How long has to be there? Asks Pete. What's the day? Asks Trini. Well, after the dinosaurs are going to be at the picnic ground, want to come? He asks. What a great idea! Me and son will eat there. Well, Pete, play hide and seek with me. The personal time. It's time for the picnic. Me and Animal stay out to pick up tables. T-Rex out are wanting up to play some twos. Terry and Trini are playing hide and seek. Even Skip needs to enjoy himself. It doesn't get any better than this, he says. T-Rex comes over then. Hey Pete, he asks. Is there anything else to eat? I ate carnivore. I don't eat salad. Trinity comes over. Terry is she and hide and seek. She's flying around a piggy. Skip comes over. I don't feel good, he asks, and he sneezes. The dinosaurs are start to argue. They're picking up ignorant if Pete does something. He leans over to all and says, can you give me a beat? He takes out his guitar and he starts to sing. Before long, everyone is having a great time. You know, T-Rex tells Arrow, I've never going to try salad before. Try it, says Pete. I really like it. T-Rex takes the salad. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Yum, says T-Rex. This salad is delicious. Anyone grabs a plate and digs in. anyone decided to play hide and seek. Pete is happy that anyone is getting along. He feels lucky to have such great friends. Oh man!
What is wrong with you?
This was the best picnic ever. Anyone agree it was the best picnic because you guys are the best friends ever, Pete says. And no one can argue with that. The end!